Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a fantastic crafting tool that's perfect for little hands. The UCEC paper punches for crafting. This set has been hailed as the best kids' hole puncher for fine motor skills, and after exploring its features, it's easy to see why. These punches are not just tools, they are gateways to creativity for children. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the UCEC paper punch set offers 6 different shapes: a star, a heart, a circle, a snowflake, a chrysanthemum, and a cherry blossom. Each punch creates delightful confetti-sized cutouts, perfect for a range of craft projects. As you can see, each punch operates smoothly, thanks to its high-quality plastic design. They measure about 2.7 inches long, 1.7 inches wide, and 2.2 inches high, making them just the right size for small hands. The comfortable grip ensures that kids can use them without straining, which is essential for maintaining focus on their crafting. But what truly stands out about these punches is their versatility. They are suitable for a variety of paper types, including regular paper, craft paper, EVA foam, and even foil. This means your child can let their imagination run wild, creating everything from greeting cards to scrapbook decorations. The recommended paper thickness is between 120 to 250 grams, which is perfect for crafting without the risk of jamming. One of the main concerns with crafting tools for kids is safety. The UCEC punches have been designed with safety in mind. The easy-to-use mechanism allows for quick punches without any complex steps that could lead to frustration or accidents. They are ideal for DIY scrapbooks, gift tags, and other school projects, making them a fantastic choice for parents and teachers alike. Using these punches can be more than just fun, it's a great way to develop fine motor skills. Kids engage their hand muscles and coordination while creating beautiful art. This can boost their confidence and inspire them to explore their creativity further. Whether you're preparing for a school project or looking for an engaging activity to do at home, the UCEC paper punches are a perfect choice. They're not only entertaining but also educational. Plus, they make thoughtful gifts for birthdays or special occasions, sparking joy in children as they craft their unique masterpieces. So, if you're looking for a reliable, fun, and educational tool to add to your child's crafting arsenal, the UCEC paper punches for crafting are definitely worth considering. They offer excellent performance, ease of use, and a variety of creative possibilities. Thanks for joining us today on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more product reviews that can help enhance your family's creativity. Happy crafting!